0 to 100 in just 2.9 seconds. And the price? Less than a third of what it beats on the track. It wasn't made to impress. It was built to dominate. And 18 years later, it's still doing just that. First up, Ferrari 458. Beautiful engine note. But when the lights go green, the GT-R launches like a missile. Ferrari's spinning, GT-R's gone. It's not even close. Next, Huracan. V10 power, exotic look, but again, the GT-R doesn't wait. All-wheel drive hooks up. The Lambo gets left behind, and then Tesla Plaid. Instant torque, ludicrous mode. But on a dig race, the GT-R catches it at the 200-meter mark. Old-school turbo violence still hits hard in 2025. Now it gets serious. Tuned GT-R versus McLaren 570S. On paper, McLaren should win, but the GT-R just walks away. Built Mustang GT, loud, cammed, stripped, but noise doesn't mean speed. Traction and tuning win. GT-R again. Porsche 911 Turbo S. One of the most respected cars in the world. Neck and neck, until the GT-R hits boost. Then it's over, again. The GT-R isn't just fast, it's practical, it's reliable, it's deadly. You can date, then gap a supercar on the way home. It doesn't ask for attention, it earns respect. People call it outdated, too heavy, too boring. But those who know, they call it something else. Controlled violence. Final race. GT-R on E85 versus Audi R8 V10. The R8 jumps first, but boost builds, and the GT-R pulls past like a fighter jet on takeoff. Same story, different victim, 2007 engineer, still sending exotic cars home in 2025. If you think the GT-R still deserves more respect, like this video. Drop a comment with what it should race next. And hit subscribe to Drive Legacy for cars that don't just look fast, they prove it.